What's the meaning of always? Always. 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 Always.
Always means happening or existing continuously or regularly without interruption. It implies permanence and constancy. It can also mean at all times, under all circumstances, or without exception. The word always is often used to express strong emotions, such as love, devotion, or commitment. Its meaning can vary depending on the context in which it is used. Overall, always signifies a state of being that is unchanging and enduring, representing a steadfastness that persists over time.